gonna trade this peach for an M20 Super Duper Bazooka and a lava lamp throne for those nights when I want to soothe the lower back. No more glitter pies! I want power! Ha! Oh, she did not just snatch our fruit. That peach is part of my aesthetic. Let's flank her on both sides. I'll cast a gravity hula hoop, and you work your razzle dazzle. That peach is coming home. Bungledorf's got a head start, but she doesn't have us. Let's butter this chase and toast it golden, Jessie. Aye, aye, Captain. Engines are hot. Glitter cannons are loaded. Uh-huh. And frosting stabilizers are online. She's in my ship, so I know exactly where the gumdrop fuel cells fail. Perfect! We need to get this clown with the sticky stringer zany zapper. Oh, fudge! Where's the glitter extractor? Where's the deflector spatula? I can't see a thing with these goggles on! Ah! Oh, that's better. Oh, who needs a steering wheel? Why is the glitter extractor blinking? I don't know. I'm so confused. Steady, steady. Zany zapper, engage. Time to sparkle, you snatcher! Whoa! That's like being attacked by a glitter hurricane! Wearing roller skates even! Whoa! The peach! She's gonna lose it!
Warning, cargo bay integrity failing.
Shut it, you bleep bleep! Engage emergency peach seatbelt!
Also, you are a hot mess.
Time to turn up the disco and the drama. By the power of pastry and the grace of glitter, reveal what's hidden. No, I don't. No, I don't. No, I don't. It's not in there. No, no, no. No, no, you see nothing. No. Oh, sugar plums. She has the eggs, too. Change of plan, Jessie. Take the wheel. I'm going in. I think I can drive this. Dad blast it, Bungledorf. Hand over the peach, or I'll stuff you in a strudel. I thought my dryer ate all my odd socks. Oh! What? Crap-ola! Stupid sparkly sky clowns! Hey, that's me. You loonies! Say that again, and I'll launch you into the Jam Nebula, Buckethead. That's right, baby. The peach is back where it belongs.
I know.
Now that was a change. I'm gonna need a spa day and cheesecake stuffed with pecan pie. Oh, honey, you read my mind. But first, group photo with the peach. Say, glitter theft failed. Glitter theft failed. You loonies, you stupid sparkly loonies.